Hey, Manifester. I'm Jaclyn Johnston, the creator of Manifest It and the author of the best-selling books, Don't Feel Stuck. Do you want to know how to manifest faster? Join us because we're about to tell you just how we like to do it.
Move with the rhythm, shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
There is no greater education than the one that is self-driven. Neil deGrasse Tyson. In today's episode, I'm about to tell you some tips and tricks I used to manifest more money. See, in early 2018, I declared to myself that 2019 is the year and the time to turn it all around. And I mean completely around. I was in $15,000 worth of debt in March of 2018. But by December of 2018, my debt had grown to $29,000. That is from March to December in the same year. Insert multiple panic attacks. I was done. D-O-N-E, done. Even if it meant I had to get 2 jobs and on top of that, running my business at the same time, I committed to myself that I was getting out of debt once and for all. The vet bills from my animals being sick and the few investments I made into my company Manifest It combined had thrown me into a mindset of being tired of staring at all these bills thanks to the legalization of loan sharks that we phrase as, quote, loans and, quote, credit cards. Yes, you can't make money if you don't spend money. And it's true that vet bills are high, but I was tired of being a new business owner at the time and being in debt at the same time. I cut up all of my credit cards. Manifest It is a company that was making money at the time, but I was ready to take it to the next level. And you cannot manifest more money into your life if you are constantly staring at the bills you have and then feeling the weight from them. I don't care who says you can. You cannot manifest more money if you have a heavy emotional burden tied to your bills. Law of attraction doesn't work this way. If you have been following me for quite some time, you know that I'm a huge lover of showing the universe what you are currently manifesting into your physical realm. I call it taking manifesting actions. Yes, law of attraction is partly feeling good most of the time and mentally and emotionally calling in all of your manifestations, but you also have to follow up with taking inspired actions, manifesting actions. Show the universe what you are wanting in your life. This will speed up all of your manifestations. So here are the first steps. I took the first inspired step in turning my financial ship around by cutting up my cards, all of them. That's right, all of them. No more temptations, no more investing into my business. I made the commitment and I already felt better because I know banks cannot take more of my money than I have already signed up for through their knee clubbing agreements. So by cutting up my cards, I severed that kind of abuse. In December of 2018, my 2019 goal was this. I am now going to work on a financial plan of taking inspired actions to be out of my debt within the next few years at most. This includes many things that I have already done to bring me more money into my physical realm. Fast forward to January 10th, 2019. That's like the exact day. I remember this. I received a huge financial blessing that I really didn't think I would get. I mean, I literally surrendered to the universe 2 weeks ago from that date, crying and feeling completely defeated about my debt and receiving money. I was tired of worrying. I was tired of feeling stressed about all my 29K debt. And I was literally hugging my dog in tears, saying out loud, "Please, universe, I give up and I give in. Please help us, please." And I laid next to my dog. I was hugging him. I was sobbing like a baby. I'm still a little emotional because I'm thinking about how I felt at that time, and it kind of pulls out my emotions a little bit even now. And I was sobbing like a baby, and I just accepted the outcome. However, and whenever I was done, and I was no longer going to allow the debt to take control of me. I am out of debt. I am out of debt. I am financially abundant. 2 weeks later, my debt was completely gone. Completely gone. I received a huge financial blessing, and I'm here to tell you that the law of attraction really does work. Believe 100%, be consistent, and surrender to the timing and the how. Self-care doesn't require going into debt. I'm going to say that one more time because there are a lot of marketers out there. There are a lot of spiritual gurus out there. And I'm here to tell you that self-care does not require, meaning you have to, go into debt. You don't have to. It's up to you. So let's take some successful steps moving towards your financial freedom. While it's not often that huge lump sums of money come flying into your sphere, there are ways to help clear out your money blocks in order to make room to allow for more money to come flowing into your bank account. Number one, be thankful for everything you do receive. Examples of this are your paycheck, saving $5 here, getting free things there, even if you find $1 on the ground, even if something like, ooh, my electric bill is $2 less. You've got to be thankful for everything in any form, whether it's a freebie, a discount, finding money, a surprise gift. Be thankful for it because that's what you're focusing on, and it'll compound over time because you're showing the universe, hey, I'm thankful. And the universe is thinking, I'm going to reflect this back to her. And that's how the energy works in the universe because energy cannot be added. It cannot be taken away. It literally is just influenced upon itself. And the way the universe operates in its boomerang effect is you have your emotions that create vibrations of energy because our whole bodies are particles. So the universe reflects to you the vibrations you put out into it. So yes, I definitely believe in gratitude and I definitely believe in being thankful for the little things. Number two, think long-term plan and resist all temptation. I'm laughing because I know that's hard, but you've got to think about your long-term plan and resist all temptation that doesn't move you towards your long-term plan of being financially wealthy. So think end results. I have a big goal that I'm working towards with my company, Manifest It. And in order for me to manifest it, I have to keep my eyes on the prize, and believe and know that it's coming however and whenever. The universe is reflecting it to me, and I'm not going to worry about when or how. Number three, the past is the past. You can't change it. So don't focus on it. Honestly, it's wasted energy. It really is because you get what you focus on. Accept your responsibilities and move forward towards your long-term plan. Move forward with your eyes on the prize. Your past doesn't dictate who you are, nor your present or your future reality. Your past dictates none of that. So move on, let it go. Be thankful for the lessons and the knowledge you've gained from the past. Number four, have faith in the process. The universe always works for you, whether that is continuing to feel broke or allowing yourself to change your financial situation, it really is up to you how you choose to think and feel the majority of the time. We all have thoughts, right? All of us. And we all have negative and positive thoughts. I mean, there's no way you can just turn the positivity on 24 hours a day, 8 days a week. Sorry, I love the Beatles. But in all honesty, stop trying to force yourself to be positive 100% of the time and give yourself a break. You're a human being. You're not going to be that way all the time, but have faith in the process. So you have thoughts, but you get what you focus on, and what you focus on expands. So you want to say, okay, I have this negative thought, you're there, but you know what? I'm not going to focus on you. I am going to think the opposite, and I'm going to focus on that instead because I believe that it's happening for me. You don't see with your eyes, you actually see with your mind, and that is a scientific fact. It truly and really is. So everything that you visualize and you focus on it plays out in your reality. And it's because your mind is how you see. Your eyes are basically the windows. I like to say that your brain is the projection, like the machine itself, and your eyes are the projection screens. So have faith in the process. It's gonna happen. It doesn't matter when or how. And the longer you wonder about the when and the how, the longer you're keeping it away. So just trust the process. The sooner you let go of trying to control when or how, the sooner you let go of that control, the quicker it comes to you. It's like bam, it just instantly shows up. Number 5, take empowering, inspired actions, manifesting actions. For example, I cut up my credit cards. This was step 1 in turning my ship around. I felt better in doing just that. Money is just energy. That's all it is. The government prints money. When the government runs out of money, it just prints more money and it gives it an expiration date. I'm talking about, the paper bills. Once it reaches that expiration date, they shred it and then they print more money. When coronavirus first started and we got stimulus money, how did they get that money and give it to us? They printed it. They printed the money. And if you had direct deposit, which I do for my taxes, I received the money via direct deposit. So money isn't always just physical paper that's mixed with linen. The paper money is, a lot of it is linen, but it's not just that. Money is also mathematical figures on a computer screen. Number 6, I perform my manifesting journaling, manifesting meaning manifest faster, and I perform it daily. I find when I write something down, it manifests much quicker. I don't skip a day, not even one day, even if it's a bad day. If it's 5 minutes of journaling or 2 hours of journaling, I perform it daily. I call into my physical sphere exactly how I want my reality to be, as is in the present. And this totally works because this is how I manifested 99% of my life's goals and dreams into my physical reality within 10 months. And I did. I really did it. And I will be honest, it's because I wrote it down. I wrote it down. I wrote it out, and I wrote it out as is. I mean, I'm still manifesting things. I mean, I'm recording this in 2020, but I am still manifesting amazing things. So please give this a chance if you haven't already. Number 7, understand that manifesting is a journey, not a destination. You are going from point A to point B, but the points don't truly matter while you're on your soul's journey. You are learning, growing, and evolving. And as long as you are open to learning and open to allowing changes to happen in your life, and you are manifesting all your dreams and desires, as long as you allow for it and allow for changes to happen, it happens sooner. I mean, this isn't Hollywood, this is life. So allow for change to happen. Change is inevitable. Like I said earlier, energy does not get added into the universe. It doesn't get subtracted. It's there and it's influenced upon itself. And the only way that it shapes and shifts is through change. Number 8, get into the driver's seat and use your soul as your compass. You are in control of your present and your future. You hold a very powerful energy within you. I mean, this is your mindset and your soul that work together simultaneously with the universe. That is so powerful. And they all work together simultaneously to bring you your desired results for you and for your life. Because you are the captain of your ship. Again, visualize exactly what you want, write it down, and give up the need to control. You will manifest so much faster if you release your fears and allow for the outcome to happen, meaning allow for the changes to take place. Because everything happens for you. The universe either gives you exactly what you want or something much better comes to you for you, always. Number 9. Have patience, for patience is a virtue. Most of my financial and life blessings happen because I completely relinquish my need to control the outcome. Usually, as soon as I release the need of a certain outcome, bam, my blessings just start flooding into my physical realm. It takes practice to learn how to relinquish trying to control the outcome. And yeah, it takes practice to shift your mindset from a limiting and negative state into a more positive and abundant state. But you can do this. CAN. You can do this. I know if I could, then you can. I mean, I suffer from anxiety every single day. And I'm stubborn in my beliefs. But I know that if I can do this, you can do this. I am one of the most stubborn souls that I know in this universe, but manifesting is a learned skill, and if I could learn it, you can too. This is your time for your financial freedom. Declare it, affirm it daily through your manifesting journaling, and show the universe you mean business by taking manifesting actions to speed up all your financial desires. It really is so much fun when you give yourself permission to have fun with this and give yourself permission to receive more and more money into your physical realm now. If you need help with this, I definitely encourage you to get my book, Don't Feel Stuck, that's available on Amazon. It's available paperback, Kindle, and it's also available on Audible. I took everything I did myself when I was manifesting all those 99% of all my desires and my dreams. I took everything I did and I put it into this guidebook. And the guidebook's like, I don't know, it has a bunch of pictures in it, but in total, I guess it's more like 215 pages. So it's about 30 days worth of manifesting. I literally manifested everything so quickly by doing what I show you how to manifest more money in this book. Everything that I did myself, I am giving to you in this book, and I'm guiding you along the way. I had a few people manifest $6,000 at one time. I've had people manifest $1,000 within a week and hadn't even finished the book. I've had people manifest selling the car that they've been trying to sell for a long time. Same with selling their house. I mean, really anything and everything, because it's all energy. And my guidebook guides you to shift your mindset and literally manifest faster. So, are you ready to manifest faster? Go to your country's Amazon website and type in "Don't Feel Stuck." Seriously. Your soul will thank you. See you next time, manifestors.
Move with the rhythm. Shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.